Hello guys, today I will be reviewing special edition, limited edition Crocs, Salehe Bembury Pollux clogs, and I'm not really sure how you say that exactly, but these are really sweet Crocs. They are actually designed after fingerprints, and they come in multiple colors, but the color I chose is black. And here's a really smooth side view. It's actually in slow motion. I don't know if I could film that good, but you might notice that the tips of the shoes are made of a different type of rubber. That rubber is actually very strong. It's stronger than the normal Croc rubber, and it improves the life of the shoe. It keeps it from getting damaged, and it also improves the grip of the shoe. Oh wait a minute, what is this? Oh my gosh, it's moving. Wait, is that my cat? She must want you to like and subscribe and a comment. Oh wait, back to the video. Okay, here is the most awkward video I could get of my shoe twisting completely around. So these shoes actually come a size too large, and that was not good because I did get a size below, but it was still too large. So I thought the adjustable strap on the back would like help a little bit, but even then the adjustable strap doesn't help very much at all because it doesn't go small enough. The strap is just too long. So that is the only bad thing I found with this shoe. Otherwise, it's literally a 9 out of 10. Great shoe, super durable, very comfortable, molds to your foot. It's very nice shoe. I would recommend. But the thing is, it's limited time, so you can only get it now on eBay, or StockX actually has them pretty cheap. Please like and subscribe, comment down below your thoughts on this. There will be some links in the description to buy some Crocs on Amazon, and there will be a link in the description to buy these Crocs on StockX. So anyways, have a great day, have a great week, you know, whatever, just be good. See you guys later in the next video. Bye bye.